Okay, let's create a god. The name is Taku Saki. This is the name that I am giving to my god, the one I am creating, because I am a creator. So I created Taku Saki. This is the god that I am creating, and this god should be so powerful because as a creator of the god, I should give my god so much powers. Like when I create a character in the video game through programming, I design the character in whatever way. So this god should have power over our universe, power over universe. So this god should be controlling the universe. This god should bring the raining. Some abilities should be in the hand of God. The ability is designed. So as a designer, programmer, and computer professional, I am going to describe the God abilities, raining, and what should be the God doing. He should be able to stop the raining as well. Raining, start, and stop. The God should be able to do this. And if there is a thunderstorm and people are being destroyed, like you see the flood is coming, the God should be able to stop the flood. But who will be starting the flood? Obviously, the God will start the flood. So start flood. How the God can be starting the flood? It means that the God will be destroying the people. No, God should be very merciful, helpful. A super power character that will come to help the God, help the people. Like Superman is coming, Spider-Man is coming, and Planet is coming. The Defender of the Earth team is coming. The Thundercats team is coming. Why they come? They don't come to destroy the people. They come to help the people. There is a simple concept of superheroes in the animation movies, right? We know that. So the god should not start the flood. It means the god will be limited. He cannot start, but he can stop the flood. Okay, but who will be starting the flood if there is no god? We need to think this. Okay, we need to think about that. For now, some abilities like I think basic control is fine. This Akusaki should be able to control the universe by absolute power, should be able to start and stop rain, and should be able to stop the flood. What should he do? He should be able to raise the dead. Yeah. If someone dead, right? Like says someone is loving to his creature, animal, bird, and baby, and the baby and bird and animal died. What should Takusaki will do? Takusaki will come. Yes, don't worry, I will revive your dad. Here comes the new life. Right? Makes sense? So my God should be able to do this kind of things. So Takusaki have these abilities. Now I'm giving these abilities to them. Now I have given these abilities to Takusaki. This Takusaki have the abilities, but these are the abilities that he can do. But can he walk? Can he come? Can he show himself? Let's make something like a character of Takusaki. This is the Takusaki. Oh, oh, I see. He's a hero. This is Takusaki. This is the character of the god that I'm designing. Oh my god. Oh, and this is T power. The thunderstorm blocker and stopper and starter. Yeah? Okay. And obviously, if he will have the power of universe, our universe, he should be the king of universe as well. So the king, TK Takusaki, is the king of universe. Does it make any sense that I am creating the king of universe here, right on the board, and the king of universe is being created by me? If I can give the abilities to my god to be able to raise the dead, to start and stop the raining, to control the universe. If I can give these abilities to my God, then how can I give these abilities to him if I don't have? The first concept is right here. If you need to understand the concept of how the gods are being created in the universe. Planeter, not the universe or the planeter. A human can come, he can create anything, and then he can name to his god. Whatever character that he has designed in the mindset. This is coming from the imagination. I did not even think about that, but right here you see something.